Friends, welcome back. And this information is about the surface of the moon. And the latest research has shown that there has been, the surface of the moon is quite rich in various minerals and various elements. And one of the key element in which the surface of the moon is rich is oxygen. And this there has been a lot of research around it, and how much oxygen is embedded inside the surface of the moon is was a question. And if you look at the moon itself, it consists of there is no atmosphere at all. In fact, even if there is a trace gas atmosphere, these are all very very rare gases which are essentially emitted by the surface. So you can say safely that the moon has no atmosphere at all. However, the surface of the moon comprised of various types of rocks, and these rocks have a lot of minerals in them. And when you talk about the amount of minerals, as per the recent studies carry out, that the if you take a 1 cubic meter material of moon, which is roughly translate into 1.4 tons, the 630 kgs of oxygen is there in this 1.4 ton. It's not huge. It's not something which is very there are other things also, but oxygen is there. And why this 63 kgs of oxygen? Because um, the normal human needs only 800 grams of oxygen per day. So if you calculate 1 cubic meter of material of moon can give you 630 kgs of oxygen, which is sufficient for one person to survive for 2 years. So, considering the total area of moon and the amount of oxygen which is available on the surface of the moon, which can be extracted in case human decide to settle or make a moon base, then there is enough oxygen embedded in the surface of the moon, which can provide breathable oxygen to humans, the entire world population of 8 billion people, for a period of 100,000 years. So there is enough oxygen available on moon which can be very very useful for any human settlement. And while they are making the settlement, they can put up machinery to convert oxygen directly from the surface and use it and recycle it. So this is something which is important, and I thought I will talk about it today, especially when NASA and Chinese Space Agency is in race to set up the manned lunar station to be based on the surface of the moon, and they would need things like water, things like oxygen to breathe, etc. All of this material will come from the moon itself, and there is no need to bring it from Earth. So you can extract water and oxygen right from the surface of the moon itself, and probably do make a process, mechanical or some sort of chemical process, to recycle the material properly, so that there is no environment issues on the surface of moon. I think the important thing is that there is enough oxygen available for uh, the entire world population to breathe if they decide to go on moon. So friends, this is interesting, and if you have any suggestions or comment, do write in. I will display your name and answer that question, and I will meet you in the next one after a break.